Hi there, my name is Marianne Morales, and welcome to Immigrant Dream. So, our topic for today is how to know if starting a business is for you. So, there are 5 questions to ask yourself before starting. So, are you thinking of starting your own business but not really sure if it's really for you? Well, starting a business can be exciting. The idea of being your own boss, having more time, and earning more money sounds amazing, right? So, napakaganda siyang isipin at, ay my God, nakaka-exciting talaga. But the truth is, running a business is not for everyone, and that's okay. So, in this video, I'll guide you through 5 important questions that will help you figure out if starting a business is the right path for you. So these questions will not only make you think, they will also prepare your mindset and set your expectations before you take the next step. Because you know what? Starting a business isn't just about making money, it's about building something that fits your life, your goals, and your values. Let's get started. So, question number 1 is, why do you want to start a business? Why do you want to start a business? Because your why is your strongest motivation, right? Kasi yung business is not always easy. There will be challenges, there will be rejections, and there are moments talaga na dahil masyado ng pressure at very stressful na, you feel like you're going to give up, right? So it will be your why that will make you keep going. It will be the reason for you to keep going. So ask yourself, do you want more time for your family? Do you want to leave your 9 to 5 jobs and be your own boss? Yung mga ganun ba? Or do you want to create a better future for your family, for your children? Right? Ito naman talaga yung mga reason bakit tayo mag-business eh. For our loved ones. Right? You have big dreams, yung mga ganyan. Or maybe, gusto mo lang magnegosyo dahil you want more income without you want more income without working multiple jobs. Wala namang wrong or right dito sa answer nyo. But then, it will be your why that will keep you going. And your why should be something deep and personal para mag-fuel doon sa journey mo. Kasi if you're only starting a business para lang sabihin na meron kang ginagawa, or dahil si Juliana is meron siyang business, nagiging successful siya, malaking kinikita niya at ito ay pa-abroad na lang, pa-travel na lang. Pero hindi mo naman alam kung paano ginawa ni Juliana yun eh. You did not see the other side. Nakita mo lang yung success niya. Right? So you have to have a strong why. Kasi kung ang why mo lang is gumagaya-gaya, then you might quit when things get hard. Right? So, isipin mo, tanungin mo sarili mo, why? Why do you want a business? So, question number 2 is, what kind of lifestyle do you want to build? Kasi yung business is not just about money, it's about how you want to live your life. Right? There are different types of businesses, and each one can give you a different kind of lifestyle. Gusto mo ba yung business na it can give you more time freedom? Like for example, digital business, online business, yung mga freelance, right? Or do you want a business that makes you more money but needs more of your time? Like for example, traditional business or yung mga may physical store, magbibenta ka doon sa loob. Do you want something you can build part-time while you still working your job? Yung mga ganun ba? So your business should match the life you want, not just your income goals. So question number 3 is, who do you want to help with your business? Sino ba gusto mong tutulungan? Kasi hindi naman lahat yan customer mo eh. A successful business is always built around serving others, not just by making money. So kung nagbebenta ka lang, kung nagbi-business ka lang dahil gusto mong kumita ng pera, that business will not last, right? So ask yourself, what problems can I solve? What skills or knowledge do I have that can help others? Ask yourself, who are the people I really want to serve? Are they families? Are they immigrants? Are they sick people? Are they business owners? Or are they parents of small children? Yung mga ganun ba? Because when your business has a purpose of helping others, you'll have more fulfillment kasi. You will have more fulfillment. And then your clients will trust you more kasi you are helping them and then you are not just after their money, right? And then question number 4 is how much are you willing to invest? Not just money. We're not talking about money, but also time, your effort, and patience. You have to set your expectations na starting a business needs more than just a capital. It needs time to learn new skills. It needs effort to promote your business, and it takes patience to wait for results. Kaya mo bang mag-antay ng 6 months, 1 year, or more bago mo makita yung result, bago mo makita yung meron ka na talagang kinikita? Kasi a lot of people will think they will go to business kasi ito lang yung easy way nila to get out from the job right? It takes 6 months or more, you can see results from this. And then you gonna work harder kasi nga, ikaw lang yung mag-isa, ikaw lang yung nagtatrabaho, ikaw yung manager, ikaw yung housekeeper, ikaw yung accountant, ikaw yung administrator, ikaw yung lahat na ng role, maraming hats sa ulo mo, marami kang ginagawa, kumbaga. Right? Yun ang start mo eh. Ikaw, marami kang role na gagawin. You're not just an owner, but also a staff. So, iba-iba yung trabaho mo. And you have to learn all of this. Tsaka, if you are just starting, walang guaranteed na income. Ang guarantee lang is yung opportunity if you're consistent. So if you're not ready to sacrifice your Netflix nights or wake up early on weekends to work on your business, then maybe you're not yet ready. So question number 5 is, when is the right time to start? Honestly, there's no perfect time to start to start a business. Kasi ang daming taong gustong mag-start ng business pero hindi makapag-start kasi iniisip nila they're waiting for the perfect moment. When they have more time, they have more money, or they feel more confident, yun ang iniisip nila. But the truth is, those perfect moments rarely comes. Wala talaga yun. Kaya, the best time to start is when you feel that something needs to change in your life, even if you are not yet 100% sure or not 100% ready, right? You have to start na kahit alam mo wala pang kasiguraduhan, hindi mo pa alam. Kasi you're just starting Hindi mo malalaman yun kung hindi ka rin mag-start. Hindi mo malalaman yung success mo kung hindi ka rin mag-start. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-start. So, my final thoughts for you is starting a business is not just about earning more money. It's about choosing a different path for your life. So, if your answers to these questions give you more excitement than fear, maybe it's time to give business a chance. But if you're still unsure, that's okay too. Maybe this is your time to prepare your mindset and learn first. So if this video made you think and opened your mind, let me know in the comments below. Are you ready to start your business journey? And if you want to learn more about how to start a business part-time while working your job, I invite you to join our free financial literacy Zoom session every 7th of the month. Or you can visit marymorales.ca for more details. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.